To make a Zelle payment on the PNC Bank app from your PNC checking account, start by opening the PNC mobile app on your phone. The app dashboard will display your account balances. Tap the menu button, located in the top left corner, and select the Send Money with Zelle option. On the subsequent screen, you'll see options to send requests, split payments, and view Zelle activity. Tap the Send button at the top. You'll be prompted to grant access to your contacts, and then asked for permission to view all your accounts. You can choose to decline this request. Next, select the recipient by tapping their email address and then Continue. If needed, enter the recipient's first and last name, and then tap Continue again. Enter the amount you want to send, and tap Review. On the following screen, you can add an optional message to the recipient and tap Send. To complete the transaction, you'll be asked to enter the 4-digit PIN from your ATM card, and then confirm it by entering it again. The payment will be processed, and within a few seconds, you should receive confirmation that the payment has been made.